I found a great cologne for you to get for your loved one. Check this out. Welcome back, ICONC'S. I got this Missoni Parfum for Homme. It retails for about $94 for this box that has two inside, with one big one and one small one, which has a 3.4 ounce and a 1.7 ounce travel pack. You can also find this in Amazon for a little bit cheaper for the 3.4 ounce than Macy's sells it. I'll leave both descriptions down below. I love this cologne because it's very diverse. You can wear it in hot weather, cold weather, you can wear it daytime or nighttime, and you can wear it just about anywhere. On a date, in the office, casual walk, anywhere. This is an aromatic woody fragrance which is inspired by the atmosphere of the Mediterranean Sea. The citrus fruit opening in the compositions is enriched with aromatic lavender. The top notes for this cologne are lemon, grapefruit, and lavender. The base are oak, sandalwood, birch, patchouli, and musk. You also have jasmine and rose apple inside for the top notes. The sprayer, as you can see, reaches a long distance and is very easy to press. I really love this cologne, and it's really great and I truly recommend it. It lasted for a while, about 3 to 4 hours, till it started dying down to a softer note. And it really smelled different. And also, Missoni, not too many people you know are going to be walking around with it. So that helps you to stay iconic. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't be regular, stay iconic. Until the next one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.